Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marilu Uy, 39 years old. I am married, but now I am separated. I have 5 kids, ages 19 years old, 14 years old, 12 years old, 10 years old, and 9 years old. I live in Manila, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I am Catholic. My hobbies are cooking and cleaning the house. My experience are way back 2019 until 2022, I worked as a household worker here in the Philippines. I served 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children. My duties are cleaning the house, cooking, laundry, ironing the clothes, marketing, car washing, and the most important is taking care of the kids, dropping the kids in the school, and prepare the foods. And lastly, 2022 until 2024, I work as a domestic helper in Oman. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults, 1 kids, and 1 newborn baby. My duties are cleaning the house, cooking, do laundry, do ironing, car washing, marketing, and the most important, taking care of the 2 kids, dropping the kids in the school, prepare the foods of the kids. Ma'am and Sir, if you choose me, I promise you, I will do my best to work with your family. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Bye!